Bonjour, bienvenue. Welcome to French with an Academy. I'm Adeline, and in today's video, we're going to explore another fundamental aspect of the French grammar, les articles indéfinis, or indefinite articles. These little words play a big role in French, so it's important to master them. But don't worry, hopefully by the end of this video, you will be able to use them with confidence. Are you ready? Tu es prêt? Allez, c'est parti! Indefinite articles in French are used to refer to non-specific items or people. They correspond to a or an in English for singular nouns and some for plural nouns. So unlike definite articles which point to something specific, indefinite articles are more general. The three indefinite articles in French are un, une, and des. So now let's see how they're used. First, let's talk about the singular indefinite articles, un and une. Un is used with masculine singular nouns. For example, un livre, a book, un stylo, a pen, un chien, a dog. Une is used with feminine singular nouns. For example, une table, a table, une voiture, a car, une entreprise, a company. So remember, the gender of the noun determines whether we use un or une. Unlike English, every noun has a gender in French, so it's essential to learn the gender along with the word. So maybe at this point you are wondering, but how do I know the gender of a noun? How do I know if it's masculine or if it's feminine? Well, you cannot. Sorry. There is not a single strict rule that says in French if something is masculine or feminine. So especially at the beginning of your learning journey, you have to use your intuition. And it will not always be right. But don't worry, people will understand what you mean, even if you put the wrong article in front of a noun. But I have a little tip for you. Let's say that around 80% of the time, again, not a strict rule, so don't quote me for it, but around 80% of the time, when a word is ending with the letter I, it's very likely that it's a feminine one. For example, une poire, une fenêtre, une fenêtre. You see, it's ending with the letter I, with the E, and it's feminine. But like I mentioned, we have exceptions, and a lot of them. Sometimes a word will end with the letter I, and it will be masculine. For example, le texte, it ends with an I, and it's masculine. Le capitaine, the captain, masculine word. Le livre, masculine word. So this rule doesn't work all the time. Remember, when you are looking for a word, always look for the gender along with it. Now let's talk about the plural form, des. Mastering the article des is easier because regardless of its gender, you will use it in front of a plural noun. It translates to some in English. For example, des maisons, some houses, des chiens, some dogs, des tables, some tables. All of the words we saw previously in their singular form can become plural simply by adding des. For example, une fenêtre, des fenêtres. Plural. Un stylo, des stylos. You just put the letter S at the end because it's plural. Okay, before we continue with a bit of practice, it's time for me to do my daily French lesson. So please join me, guys. I don't want to lose my streak. Okay, I'm going to open my Unacademy app. Okay, today's lesson is about how to introduce others. C'est un garçon. Say translate to this is in English.
Fun fact: unlike English, French doesn't use phrases like he is or she is while introducing others. Instead, say is used to introduce someone.
This is. C'est.
C'est.
Yes. This is a boy. C'est un
C'est
garçon.
un garçon. Did you know? Se combines two words, ce and they. Ce means this, and they means is. Ce becomes c'est, to avoid repetition of vowels.
This is my car. C'est ma voiture.
C'est. C'est
Yes,
ma
good job.
voiture. C'est un homme.
This is a man.
Note. The phrase c'est can also be used to say, it is, and, that is. We will discuss this in detail in the future lessons. Bébé. Bébé is
Baby.
French for baby. It refers
Both
to both
male
male
and
and female children. In French, the word bébé is always masculine, even if it refers to a girl
Baby.
child.
Un bébé.
Un bébé.
This is my baby. C'est mon bébé.
C'est. C'est mon bébé.
Yes, we've just learned 2 new words in 13 seconds. Great job. Thank you for joining me, guys. Don't forget to download the app because if you are learning French, it's very easy to use and it doesn't take a lot of time. You just do a little bit every day. Now that we've completed our lesson for the day, let's go back to a bit of practice about the indefinite articles. Okay, we'll do it together. I will give you a noun and you try to guess the correct indefinite articles that goes with it. Are you ready? Allez, on y va. Chat. Chat. What article should we use with chat? That's right, un chat. Okay, next one. Pomme. How about pomme? Une pomme, exactly, une pomme. Pomme is feminine, so we use une. Enfant. What about enfant? Correct, it's des enfants. Des enfants, because it's plural, so we use des. Let's do a few more examples to reinforce the concept. Voiture. So, is it un, une, or des? Instinct. What do you think? Une. It's une voiture. Yes, feminine. Ordinateur. Des ordinateurs, because it's plural. Je voudrais gâteau. So, what it is? It's un gâteau. Un gâteau. Gâteau is a masculine word. Livres sont sur la table. Can you guess? Un, une, des. Des. Yes. Des livres sont sur la table. Now. Chien joue dans le jardin. Un chien. Un chien joue dans le jardin. Last example. Voilà. Fleurs pour toi. Des. Voilà des fleurs pour toi. Indefinite articles are everywhere in daily life. Whether you're shopping, for example, je voudrais 1 kilo de pommes, je voudrais 1 kilo de pommes, or making plans, j'ai une réunion demain, j'ai une réunion demain. It's very important to know when to use un, une, or des. Also, sometimes, if you are putting the wrong article, it can change the meaning of the sentence. For example, je veux une voiture, je veux une voiture, I want a car, is different from je veux la voiture. Je veux la voiture. This one. So yes, it's important to know when to use an indefinite article or when to use a definite article. We also previously made a video focused on the definite articles. So le, la, les, elle with an apostrophe. Et voilà. To recap today's lesson, the indefinite articles are un, une, des. Un and une can be translated to est. You use un before a masculine singular noun, and you use une before a feminine singular noun. Des means some, and you use it before a plural noun. That's it for today's lesson on indefinite articles in French. Don't forget to practice by using those articles with different sentences. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to French with Unacademy. We will come back with more French lessons. Feel free to leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future topics. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé. À bientôt!